Let's explore the concept of the Virtual Document Object Model, often called Virtual DOM. We will explain it simply so anyone can understand. The Document Object Model, or DOM, represents your hypertext markup language, or HTML, as a tree structure. Think of it like a family tree but for your web page elements. JavaScript can interact with this tree, manipulating the content, structure, and styles of your web page dynamically. On the right, you can see a simple HTML code snippet with a division element having an ID named app. Inside it, we have a heading that says, "Hello World," and a button that says, "Click me." Direct document object model manipulation can be expensive and slow. Each time you make a change, the browser has to recalculate the layout of the entire page and then repaint it. This can lead to performance bottlenecks, especially in complex applications. That is why the snail emoji is shown here. The Virtual Document Object Model, or Virtual DOM, is a lightweight JavaScript representation of the real document object model. It is kept in memory and acts as a proxy between your code and the actual document object model. Think of it as a blueprint or a shadow document object model. Here is an example of a virtual DOM node. It has a type, like a division, properties, such as an identifier named app, and children like a heading element containing the text, "Hello." The Virtual Document Object Model works in 3 main steps. First, a virtual document object model tree is created in memory. Second, when there are changes, the old virtual document object model is compared with the new virtual document object model. This process is called diffing. Third, only the parts that have changed are updated in the real document object model, minimizing the number of direct manipulations. React employs a diffing algorithm to compare the old and new virtual document object model trees element by element. This algorithm efficiently identifies the minimal set of changes needed to update the real document object model. As shown in the code snippet, only text changed, then the text content gets updated. But if the element type changed, then the element is replaced entirely. The Virtual Document Object Model provides significant performance benefits. Document object model operations are batched together, reducing the number of browser reflows, which leads to faster updates. Only the necessary document object model nodes are updated, minimizing the amount of work the browser has to do. The Virtual Document Object Model is React's secret weapon for fast user interface updates. It enables efficient reconciliation and a better user experience by minimizing direct document object model manipulation and optimizing updates. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.